Bruh, just go to Desmos. Just do Desmos on this problem. Stop. No. Listen closely. Desmos is a great tool on the test, but my students are reporting that the May SAT was very, very conceptual, and Desmos wasn't as big of a tool as they thought it would be. So I need you on every practice question to understand the mathematical way to solve. On the test, feel free to use Desmos, but if you're just using Desmos in practice, you're not doing enough. Let me show you what I mean on this math question, and don't forget to hit follow because I post every day to help you crush the SAT and the ACT. Don't go to Desmos on this SAT question in practice. Listen to me closely. I have a dire warning for you. The SAT is getting more and more conceptual. What I mean by that is that they're going to make you do questions with a lot of constants where Desmos won't help. So I need you in practice to understand very, very closely what to do. Question number 22, it would work on Desmos on the test, but assuming you had a question that Desmos wouldn't work on, let's solve it together. How many distinct real solutions does the given equation have? 5x squared plus 10x plus 16 equals 0. Of course, this is easy to graph in Desmos and see where their solutions are if you know that a solution is also an x-intercept or a 0. However, figuring out how is a little bit tougher. What formula do we use to find out how many distinct real solutions a given equation has? We use the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. If it's greater than 0, we have 2 real solutions, equal to 0, 1 real solution, less than 0, no real solutions. So I'm going to take my a5, my b10, and my c16, just plug them into the formula. 10 squared minus 4 times 5 times 16. 16 times 5 is 80 times 4 is 320. 10 squared is 100. 100 minus 320 is minus 220. That's not the solution. In fact, that just tells us that there are 0 real solutions to this given equation. Great work.